In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an invoice in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to locate the right invoice, and the best way to print or save it as a PDF for your records or your customer. Start by heading to the Sales area. On the left-hand menu in QuickBooks, click Sales. This takes you to the place where all your customer-related transactions live. From there, choose All Sales. Think of all sales as your master list: invoices, sales receipts, estimates, and more. If your left menu is collapsed, hover over it to expand and you'll see sales appear. This is the quickest route to view everything in one spot before narrowing down to just the invoice you need. Now it's time to find the invoice you want to print. Use the filter at the top and set it to Invoices so you're looking only at invoice transactions. This trims out other sales items and keeps things clean and focused. You can also scan the list, sort by date or amount, or use the search bar if you know the invoice number or customer. When you see the one you need, click the invoice to open it. Opening the invoice gives you a final chance to confirm details like the billing address, line items, taxes, and totals, so you're confident you're printing the right document. With the invoice open, click Print or Preview. This brings up a clean preview of exactly what will be sent to the printer. Take a moment to scan for formatting, page breaks, and any fields that might need a quick correction. When everything looks good, select Print. Your browser's print dialog will appear, where you can choose your printer, paper size, orientation, and number of copies. If the preview doesn't open, a pop-up blocker might be in the way. Allow pop-ups for QuickBooks and try again. If you'd rather share or archive a digital copy, choose the option to download as PDF from the preview screen. Saving a PDF is helpful for emailing clients, attaching to project folders, or keeping a consistent record that looks the same on every device. Once saved, you can print the PDF from your computer whenever you need it. That's all there is to it. Go to Sales, open All Sales, filter to Invoices, select the invoice, then print from the preview, or download it as a PDF first if that suits your workflow. If you found this helpful, feel free to replay any section while you're working in QuickBooks, and keep a PDF copy for easy sharing and backup. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.